Good morning, everybody. Our assembly themes this week is writing. And this is my Tuesday morning assembly all about writing. Writing. What's all the fuss about? I suppose I'm asking what's all the fuss about because we all know how important writing is. Do I need to convince you? I don't think so. But why do some of us think we're no good at writing or that writing is something we can't do? I'm sorry, when people say I can't write, I just don't believe you. Margaret Atwood is a Canadian author. She's one of my favourite authors. And she said, a word after a word after a word is power. Words are very powerful. They have power. If you can write, then you have this power. Have you ever heard of the saying, the pen is mightier than the sword? Well, what do you think that means? In my opinion, writing is so much more than spag. But spag, of course, is very important. But to be a writer, there are things that you need to do. Of course, you need to make your writing clear so that people can read it. And it has to make sense. You have to use proper punctuation and grammar. These are skills that you can learn. However, you've got to think of your audience. Writing is communication. And I saw this quote online that I thought it really summed up what writing is and what good writers do. And it says good writers construct their writing in a way that's understood by their target audience. Big words, little words, made up words, or even text speak are all up for grabs. So have a think about that. Have a look at this writing. Yeah, have a good look. I know what you're thinking. Well, there's the correct use of the apostrophe from your as a contraction of you are. Yes, brilliant. But, the letters are all mixed up. Uppercase, lowercase. There's no proper punctuation, really. And don't even mention that it's on a wall. I know. But have another think. Writing connects people. It's not just your best extended right, which is very important. There are more uses for writing than we think that are all equally important. Remember what we said. Words are power. Not all of us are going to write the best stories, the best poems or persuasive letters. But does that mean we think ourselves bad at writing? No way. Look again at the writing on the screen. Read it. What a message that person has written. It's positive and it's powerful. I thought I'd have a look around my house to see if there was any writing that I thought was useful and important. And actually, I found quite a bit more than I expected. So I went into my garden and I found some writing on labels for plants that I need to remember what I'd planted. Very important. And then I found some writing from children in my class that I keep on my fridge. I mean, that's really important. It shows us where we start as writers and what amazing progress we make. I also found some writing on a calendar as a reminder to tell me that it's somebody's birthday or that I need to do something. I also found writing of lists. Now, come on, all teachers love a list. And then I also found some writing that I leave for instructions. Put the washing out, please. Thanks very much. Then I saw this piece of writing in my house. It was a postcard that I'd received from my friend. So you might get written cards, greetings. You may even get greetings in an email. They don't have to be handwritten. And this was my favourite piece of writing. This writing captures a moment in time. And it's a piece of writing that my son did when he was very, very young. Writing is so much more than spag. Writing is powerful. This makes me think of so many lovely memories. So, remember, writing is everyone's superpower. And if you think you're not a writer, please think again. Have a good day, and I'll see you all soon. Take care.